Hey everyone, this is the last one for the month for June 2023 Patreon STL files. This is part 8. I think the next one will be July. We should have a couple days in advance for it. But if you do enjoy it, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get on with it. This is Chichula STL collection. This one, I think they're doing Marvel vs. Capcom right now for it. So I don't think there's nothing new. This is May 4th one. Um, yeah, I don't think they're updating much anymore. So next, Broken Anvil. They stopped doing freaking minis. They just do a lot more paint stuff. I do want to get their paint. You want to sponsor me for your paint? Please let me know. I would love to use your paint. I heard good stuff about it as well. It's just that I'm spending my money on other paints that cost a lot of money for it. 3D Rat Top Studio. I think we are doing Raptors. Looks like we're doing Raptors for it, but um, sound no. So we have a Raptor troll riding the Raptor. Looks like that's actually pretty damn good for it. This would be good for a jungle battle or in World of Warcraft because you can have a Raptor mount in World of Warcraft as well, and it's fucking cheap for $6. But just for that one thing, I don't know. Asgard Rising. If you're into Viking or Skyrim type of game, this might be it. June release information. I don't think I have anything else for June. Then welcome pack Solace. I have no idea what Solace is going to be. 4 Abandoned Deathlands. But yeah, if you're into Ask, I don't think they have anything else right now. I think they're working on Kickstarter, and it's June. They're working on June as well. We did Invictus. I know that we did Invictus in the past few ones. Nelson Taxira Torjano. We have Kid Buu. That's going to be coming up for your figures. And I think that's it. That's the most recent one from June 7th. I think this is a newer one, Patreon that's coming out as well. BioBreed. For BioBreed, looks like it's figures from DC, I think, and Marvel as well. So let's see here. May 8th, June, Batman 3000. I think July will be Hellboy and the Black Queen. No, not much this month. I'll say. I thought it'd be a lot. Maja's Forge. If you're into terrains for D&D and stuff, this might be good as well. If they release stuff for June, I don't see it. We'll try again next time. 3D Manji. So we have the freaking half angel, half demon girl from High School DxD. I don't know if they're ever going to come out with it. But we already done this one for what you call it few days ago. Oh, next. They might go through all of it. I don't know. Forge Hammer. We have March, April, nothing. Next. Crosslands. Another file for D&D. Amazon for June. So if you want Amazonian for your campaign, if you're doing the jungles and so forth, that'll be it. So it looks like 3 characters for it. And I bet it's fairly cheap as well, like $4. For 3 Amazonian, I'm okay. D-Ma-U 3D. So they started working on the Peach Meyer cart. And Tao Zora rewards sent. Talia. So I know this is only one figure. I know this is for this month. So if you're into Talia, go for it. but I have plenty of Talia's figure. Next, Cardoza 3D Studio, another figure. A lot of figures towards the end. I'm figuring that out. So just start making that lizard. X23. I think that's for July. Ah, it might be X23 that is supposed to come out for June. Yeah, X23. Looks like you guys gonna be getting X23 for it, and the lizard. Next, Tordalis minis. Come on, piece of shit. Another figure. I think we already done this. We're getting Velma, Tunat, and Tunade. I forgot his wife is. And the sisters of and so we already done this. So this is a repeat of it. Num Num figures, one of my favorite figures to get. You can get the one before and after. So for last month, it's Tiamat, Shanran, Stitch, Link, and John Wick. And this one is Howl from Hellflying Castle, Alucard, Tyrael, Lamb from the Cult of the Lamb, and Gorgu. In June, you get the forgot that girl's name for One Punch Man. So yeah, get it. $10. Get it. You get all of this shit for $10. It is worth the money. I'll tell you that right now. Hubris. We already got the Dragon Guard from last month. I don't know if they're doing anything for June. I think so, but open link probably will. I don't get anything for June. But oh well. Next. Vanvictus miniatures. And I just farted. We have that's July Nightbring. Let's see what's for June. For June, we have Militia. This is good for D&D. Also, you do Age of Sigmar as Inquisitors and so forth as well. These are the things I don't really need. I have too many of these city. I can make them city guards, knights. Just too much of it. But this is what if you want to get them, go for it. And I tell you, it comes in like fucking pieces. That's the only thing I don't like about printing stuff. Is fucking come in pieces. Pieces, goddammit. Highlands miniature, another Warhammer proxies. Mostly Age of Sigmar. I think they're doing hopefully not our dwarves. Yeah, June. Yeah, we got Dwarven Pirates. For they have their own rules for their tabletop as well. And we've been seeing a lot of pirates in this thing. I don't need any more for it. We already done that. Anime Girl STL. Forgot that cat beast lady from Jobless Anime returning to a jobless world. You can get that if you want for June 5th. Make her bust a little bit bigger. I think it's kind of quite small. Table hammer. For this, I think this is unrevealed. So we have a kraken with a mermaid. Looks like it. The other one, the Voltan, more Voltan. Got the Proxy Space Marine. I think these are Necron for it. And I think this is going to be the proxy one for Tyranid. Angel Wings. So yeah. Artisan of Val. What the hell is this one? Oh, this is no. The marker cult. These are the ones I was looking through for a lot of them. Is this for June? I think these are the Imperials. with that. These would look pretty good as for your game. Here we go, June. So we have a orc version of a dreadnought, transporter ships. We have Lionoids and orcs, Imperials. I think these are supposed to be towels. But yeah, those are June for it. Last but not least, Aizen Studio. Another figure. We want to reveal our surprise character, Peach in Memorial Mary Monroe outfit. And let's see here. We have Frog is ready. That's from Chrono Trigger. And we have Chaco. I forgot where he's from. Ezio. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys do enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the end of June's Patreon for 2023. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day, guys. Bye.